Hi, I'm Dave Tyler from Avid. I'm here at IBC 2018 on the audio post-production pod. So we start off here with our flagship control surface with the S6, running the latest version of Yukon software, including the ability to have an iPad alongside your S6 so that you can control the console remotely from the back of the room or whatever you want to do. So the 16 fader version here is really suited to a smaller audio post-production facility. We're showing how it can work with a TV production workflow. We're also showing how you could create Atmos mixes as well here. You could create Atmos beds and sound design and so on using a console such as this. Over here we've got the audio interface. So if we're using the matrix here, and our video output is coming from the DNX-IV, which is now qualified with Pro Tools. Audio processing is done using a Pro Tools HDX card, and we're using the new Sonnet GFX chassis, which is now supported with Pro Tools as a chassis for an HDX card. So one of the key things that we're showing here is audio over IP. So the Dante protocol is now really used widely in the industry, in post-production, in music, and many aspects of the process. So what we've done is we've connected our matrix interfaces together using Dante. We've connected Dante to the computers which run them. We've also got Dante running to our live sound pod over here. And we're using third-party Dante peripherals such as this RedNet X2P to show how we can integrate with other aspects of the post-production chain. And then over here on the other side of the pod, we've got the S3 and dock combination. So S3 is our compact control surface. We've got 16 faders, 2 rows of encoders, so doing a very similar job to the S6, but in a more compact version, and obviously it's a lower cost, so it could work for a smaller room or something like that. And then paired with that is the dock. The dock gives us dedicated transport controls, it gives us dedicated automation, navigation, and also the power of the visual feedback that we get from the iPad. So from the iPad I can see all my tracks, I've got programmable soft keys, I can also edit all my channel strip, my EQ dynamics and so on. So I can access any aspect of my mix directly from these combination of products. So we really want to show the difference between working with an S3 and S6. So S6 really is a much more comprehensive control surface. You've got loads of control, lots of options, very, very flexible, very powerful control surface, amazing visual feedback from those screens there. S3 in a dock, again, more suited to a smaller room, and showing how that can work for maybe a small post-production setup, maybe a pre-production setup, or a smaller music studio and that kind of thing. So if you want to come and check out any of these aspects of the audio post-production workflow with Avid, then come down to IBC to our booth. Thank you.